Today I'm going to be poaching some wild-caught haddock from Costco, and some olive oil, freshly sliced garlic, these small tomatoes, and a can of organic diced tomatoes. I'll add a little red wine to that, some seasonings. The garlic goes in the hopper of the Costco garlic slicer. Roughly 2.25 pounds of haddock, wild caught from Iceland, picked up at Costco this morning, $8.99 a pound. I seasoned it with salt and pepper on both sides, let it rest for a little while, cut it up, and while I prepare the tomatoes. Anchovies, garlic, I've added a can of organic diced tomatoes, no salt seasoning. This is organic, no salt seasoning from Costco. There's a lot of this around the house when cooking. 21 different spices and ingredients, and no salt. Squeeze some fresh lemon juice in there. I have these impossibly hard lemons though, try to get something better. Here's some fish masala. This is an optional step, and then once I put it in the pan, I add some grated Parmesan on top. This should take about 12 to 15 minutes. I'll try to find room for all the fish. So there is Icelandic haddock with tomatoes, some fish masala, some fish spices, Indian fish spices, Parmesan cheese, olive oil, lots of garlic. Delicious, 12-minute cooking time. Enjoy.